Welcome to today's video on Gara Rock Beach, one of the most beautiful hidden gems on the South Devon coast. This secluded bay with its golden sand, turquoise water and rugged cliffs is an absolute paradise for hikers, swimmers and pretty much anyone craving a bit of wilderness. Today we're exploring everything this incredible location has to offer. Another tiny chunk of the southwest coast path done. Ready, it's going to be, I'm enjoying doing these little bits because if you follow the channel you'll know that next year I'm doing the whole 640 miles in one hit. I'm going to attempt it. I'm going to attempt it with an optimistic mind. But this is a cracking little stretch. And what a beautiful day. It's the 4th of February. It's stunning. I love these parts of the coast path that are just right next to the sea. It's just stunning. And I've just had my first glance at, at Gara Rock Beach. And there is a striking resemblance. It's not even a resemblance, it's almost a carbon copy of Great Matiscoon Sands, which is not far from here. That is uncanny. Just this band of harder rock, keeping all of that sedimentary, I don't even know if it is rock really, it looks just like mud. Look at the colours in there. Wow. What I love about this beach is it's not your typical tourist beach. There are no roads leading directly here. You either hike or you come by the sea. The beach changes with the tides. At low tide you get these fascinating rock formations, and then you look this side and all of these rocks, the closer you look, they're just filled with cracks and tiny caves and amazing formations. And then above you've got the sedimentary layers going back millennia. Taking a dip in the sea is normally a wonderful idea here. On a calm day, the waters are turquoise and crystal clear. What are you shouting at? But today, there's a large swell, isn't there, Shelby? We will not be going in today.